If you're considering ladder loans for personal financing, it's important to know exactly what you're getting into. Ladder loans offer short-term personal loans designed to help with unexpected expenses or debt consolidation, but does it live up to the hype? Ladder loans provides fast online applications, and approval can happen within minutes. Loan amounts vary, typically ranging from a few hundred to several $1,000s, with repayment periods between a few weeks to several months. This flexibility makes it a good option for temporary cash flow needs. Most people get this wrong. While quick approval is convenient, interest rates are higher than traditional bank loans. Ladder loans is a high-cost, short-term financing option, so it's best used for urgent expenses rather than long-term borrowing. Missing payments can lead to fees and impact your credit score. The application process is straightforward. You need a valid ID, proof of income, and a checking account. Funds are usually deposited directly into your bank account, making it fast and convenient for emergencies. Customer service is accessible via online chat and phone, and their website includes helpful guides on managing payments and understanding fees. Transparency is decent, but always read the terms carefully before committing. In conclusion, ladder loans can be a helpful tool for urgent financial needs, but it's not a substitute for low-interest loans or building an emergency fund. Use it responsibly, understand the fees, and only borrow what you can repay on time. Subscribe for more honest reviews of personal finance tools and services to help you make smarter money decisions.